How to manage sharing your posts on stories on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage sharing your posts on stories on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down and you will find this one, uh, photo profile and tagging, and then just click on this one, allow others to share your posts to their profile. Click on it and you can manage it yes or no, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.